Can't forget to gotta hook up your map sensor, mass air sensor. Good stuff. Man. That ugly down there. Okay. Get it away from it. Get it under. Come on now. Okay. Alright, good. Just gotta get that lower boot hooked up. Make that over there. Just lined up with your okay. Okay, using that down there. This nut right up here. Oh! Put it on the ratchet. Let's go. Okay, tighten it up on your throttle body. Tighten it down. Okay. I can't remember what sensor this is. It's just a little thing. Here's your mass air sensor. Okay. Okay. If everything goes well, it's going to fire up. We got spark, don't we? No fuel leaks except the exhaust leak. Wow. So after all that troubleshooting, it was because I didn't have enough fuel pressure. Well, my woohoo! Oh, that got me. Woo! Ouch! Son of a gun. Don't do that again. That woke me up. My problem is, I couldn't see that spark from in here. I didn't think I had a spark. And then the wife came out last night, and I was cranking it for some other reason. And she says, hey, you know you got a spark? And I thought I'd been living without spark all this time. And it's actually been a fuel pressure issue. But about 3 or 4 months ago, I actually checked the fuel pressure and I had fuel. So, I don't know. So, as you will have seen in my videos, I changed the ignition switch again. I bought another ignition switch. I bought an ECM, which is what I was gonna go have programmed for $75 to be done. And because when I threw that one in, I wound up with a anti-theft light. So I wasn't getting spark, and Oh man, it's just been a long, this has just been a long evolution here. But come to find out, it was fuel, a fuel situation. So now I can turn it off. Whoops, come on. Oh, don't do that. Oh! Holy cow! Now you're not firing again. Well, I don't know if I'm firing again. I need to see. I should have had spark. And I still got a fuel issue, which means I may have something going on here. Problem is I can't see if I got spark. Oh man. So now I'm not firing again. I would have figured that we'd start right back up. This is definitely fuel. Maybe I don't have enough fuel now. Maybe I'm out of fuel. Oh. Okay. So what do we got going? Again. I wish I had somebody who could sit here and see if this thing sparks. Because if it sparks, then this will be the last thing I do, so I can see if it's sparking. Actually see it. I can actually. You fell over, huh? You're not seeing what's going on here. I could actually see it. I can see it sparking. So I have a fuel issue. I may not have any more. I may be out of fuel. So I definitely have a fuel issue. If I had, this is kind of a good thing because I can work with that. Look at all that noise. You can listen to ding, 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 ding. Oh, man. Hush. All right. Fuel. Fuel. See if I fuel at the. Okay. For this model here, there's your fuel. End of your fuel rails right here. Get your face in front of it. All right. So there is fuel pressure in my rail. So that said, that said,